Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people. In today's video, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Addy the teacher, Mr. Palmer, World Boss, the so-called king of dancehall. Yo, people, the Gaza fans them now go like a 1 year. In that video, we are going to beat Vybz Kartel the wickedest way. And we know some people are going to say Kartel rich and Kartel having money and we bad mind and this and that. But the truth we attack and the truth hurts. Who can take it off his flirt? Run out them blouse and skirt. Bars, people. Vybz Kartel a mash up dancehall. Vybz Kartel a freaky up dancehall. Vybz Kartel a shaky up dancehall. Vybz Kartel in a dancehall a move like a waste man. Enough people are gonna say I do some big show and we get it. Nostalgia. Vybz Kartel been seen missing off of the scene for after 13 years. So a whole bunch of people want to see him and a whole bunch of people want to put face to the music. So a whole bunch of people are going to watch him. But we know say he can't carry on like that forever. At some point in time, it a go run out. As a matter of fact, we see it a decline already. The people them were attend him sure it a decline. So him always have to touch new ground. Place where he no go in a 20 years. Some place where he never go before. We see say Jamaica get tired of him already. The US get tired of him already. In go Europe, in a UK get tired of him already because them give away enough tickets. Some ticket even sell for $2. We see the fans them a ball. We see the fans them a cry. Say the man can't perform. And we know say he couldn't perform from day one. We see the man on stage with knee braces. The man a ball, the man a holler. At one point in time, we did sorry for him. Because we know saying sick. But we see the artist a drink. We see the artist a smoke. We see the artist no care about him health. So because him no care about him health, we no care about him health. Neither. We see the artist now perform with no bands because Vybz Kartel cannot keep up with the bands. Plus, Vybz Kartel no remember a whole bunch of song them. Vybz Kartel no remember in lyrics them. Freedom Street, a Jamaica, we say Bounty Killer draw a song with him and Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel say, if he tell you the true general, me no remember the song. Yes, him incarcerated for 13 years. We know when he got through, but him that road now, when supposed to rehearse, pay attention to him health, pay attention to him craft, but him out here do TikTok like some waste man. We see him behave like some waste man on TikTok. A man ball fi come out of prison. Him lawyer said the man heart is operating at a 50% capacity. And we see the youth not check him health serious. We see the man make video in a UK say anybody bring him 12 pack a craving here, get some free ticket. So the man put smoking over health. We not see him out there I go gym no more. We not see him get a nutritionist, a proper chef fi cook for him and make sure say him get him juice them and him supplement and put him head. Which part is supposed to they pause and make sure say head upon him body. But Vybz Kartel head they all over the place. The man no put him health first. So we not go put him health first. We see the man a behave like a waste man. And whole heap of Vybz Kartel fans see how the artists a behave and enough of them a take with themselves. And me no want nobody say them people wasn't a real Gaza fans. Some people have head and can think for themselves and see say the artist behave like a lunatic. We see the man in a UK a halafi knee. The man dey on stage with knee brace pan him knee and him still not take him health serious, and people see health a decline, a deteriorate, and him man body a mash down. But Vybz Kartel now and listen, nobody round him can't tell him nothing, and everybody round him a creep with them for creep. When Vybz Kartel fall, everybody a go take with himself. Yes, him have a huge catalog when he can live off. He no have to do no new song. See, but at the end of the day, he not take him craft seriously. The man is a DJ. The man is an artist. He's not a mechanic. He's not a chef. See, he's not a welder or an electrician. He's an artist. So he's supposed to focus on him craft. Him get released from prison over a year now. So I'm supposed to get better and better, but yet still we see the artists get worse, and some people now want to hear the truth. Enough other artists in a dancehall, we criticize them. Enough artists in a dancehall, we can't talk about them. But Vybz Kartel is protected. Vybz Kartel can get away with anything. Right now we see the fan base. Enough people are react certain way when him come to your performance. In Vybz them a crack. In Vybz sound a weird, the man sound horrible. No fans are complaining, so they can't believe say them spend that the type of money if you see the artist certain song he can't perform. Because he can't reach certain note, or he can't hold certain note, certain song him off key, because him supposed to work on him craft, and him not work on him craft. The truth is the truth, and we know say him a live in a nostalgia moment, because him been absent from the scene for over 13 years. So a whole bunch of people never get to see the artist. Saying a whole bunch of people never see him perform. Enough people see him perform before and know say the artist is not a good performer. In performance them actually whack. In performance them corny. But enough people just see that for themselves now. Enough people are say, damn, them think after a year, him would take some time out and work on him craft. But now, Vybz Kartel are work on TikTok. A man is a TikToker now. Missy Bounty Killer the ground Godzilla say a pay fish over TikTok. A matter of fact, Bounty Killer call it fish talk. But we see Vybz Kartel over there. When Nicki Minaj did over there, Nicki Minaj fan base burn her out. People lose off of Nicki Minaj because they must say Nicki Minaj bigger than that. Seeing when Gage over the people say Gage a artist, Gage go do artist thing, Jada Kingdom, Dovey Magnum, we beat everybody else. But when Vybz Kartel go TikTok, Vybz Kartel get a pass. Vybz Kartel get a pass figure TikTok. People, Vybz Kartel do some shakiness in a dancehall. Me see Vybz Kartel wear a pink bonnet, and enough people get burn out. Fire, burn off that. Why? If you wear pink and Vybz Kartel wear pink bonnet, me no care when nobody wants to say that is a fish move. In the United States of America, only female wear bonnet. Any man wear bonnet, shaky, fish out. Me not care anybody want to say the man comfortable with his sexuality, in too comfortable. Enough a man that pink of a girl, blue of a boy, as how we grow from the 80s come up till now. Pink of a girl, blue of a boy. When you have a gender reveal, you don't have no green, you don't have no black, you don't have no red, you don't have no purple, you don't have no mauve. You have pink and blue. When you see blue, it means to say a boy. When you see pink, a girl. From Vybz Kartel in a bonnet, in shaky out, worse, a pink. People, in the United States of America, enough people look down from bonnet. Bonnet is something that is ratchet. Bonnet is something that is ghetto. A ghetto. If you see a girl come out her house in her pajama, her PJs, wearing a bonnet, that girl they look ghetto. That girl they look ratchet. Enough man, enough other people look down upon that. My woman can't come out of the house wear a bonnet go on the road. Problem I got did it. I saw the United States run. I saw we pre-bonnet. And now Vybz Kartel as a man, I wear a bonnet. I try normalize it. I try make it look like say it normal and it is masculine. Man no fi wear no blood clad bonnet. That a fi woman. Missy Vybz Kartel have all a picture when have a towel wrap round him head like woman or white woman. A woman wrap them towel they round them head, them wear it. Gangster we put a kerchief or a shirt where Vybz Kartel a do shake it. The bonnet and the towel them when wrap round his head. Looking at the profile photo, you see our brother a wear a dress and I go say that a style, that a fashion, and also Jamaican rule. That is not swag, that is not fashion, that is not style. A shakiness that. I mean, I care when nobody want to say in a Romania back in the days, the soldier wear that a Rome. Me no want nobody say in a Scotland, I saw them this. Them people are Jamaican, uno are no Scottish. Uno are no Scottish, uno are Jamaican. Kind of frock and dress them man ya wear. Vybz Kartel we have Gaza commandment. We say no pum pum can't eat pan the Gaza. No fish can't dip on the Gaza. Vybz Kartel we used to militant. When Vybz Kartel say Clarks, everybody say Clarks. When Vybz Kartel say white tees and fitted everybody in a hit. When Vybz Kartel say Blackberry, everybody, them their style, them their fashion. When Vybz Kartel say Jersey, every man a wear Jersey. When Vybz Kartel say na me old school kicks back and do rackets, yo enough academics, maybe roll it in the 76. That every man a beat Jersey them time there. The rapper them, everybody in a Jamaica, every man a wear Jersey. When Vybz Kartel say fitted hat, every man a wear it. But when him say Benz, man a drive Benz. But them shaking is ya, them bonnet thing ya, a fire. Rasta wrap them head with a big piece of cloth, a turban, that different. Bonnet of a woman. Bonnet of a woman. And them towel wrap head of a woman. Vybz Kartel shaky and I push the boundary and I try and make certain things normalize in a Jamaican culture or normalize in a dancehall. How can you be a thug? How can you be a gangster? How can you be a masculine person and support Vybz Kartel with a friggy bonnet and pink bonnet and towel wrap head? The man a do enough shakiness in a dancehall. The man a do enough shakiness for money. Vybz Kartel a low out and me no care when nobody want to say. See, the next thing when me see with Vybz Kartel, me back in the day, the thing say Vybz Kartel was the most intelligent dancehall artist. But Vybz Kartel IQ, him have a fan base where them IQ low. Vybz Kartel see him and say people are sheep. See, so at the end of the day, anything him do, them a go follow. See, but at the end of the day, for a man we've been incarcerated for 13 years, people. Vybz Kartel come from prison with no idea. Yes, we know a rough in a prison. Yes, we know mentally it can play upon your psyche. And we know say mentally it set away. But for a man we locked up for 13 years, Vybz Kartel entry in the world should have different. Vybz Kartel should have come from prison with some serious idea, some business idea, some entrepreneur idea. The man should not come out on a businessman level. Since Vybz Kartel come from prison, Vybz Kartel haven't had a hit song, an inch of crazy song. Vybz Kartel song where most people like now is God is the greatest, and I show people know in prison story and feel sorry for him. A man was saying write 100 song and all of them type thing there, how much song a day. And we know the artist can write. We know the artist talented. But the Vybz Kartel is a fraction of himself. The Vybz Kartel we're going to prison, come back out a different Vybz Kartel. Yes, you can change your ways. Yes, you can write certain music. But we know the artist, the lyrical, and we know a writing skill, the different. But the Vybz Kartel something go off in our head. The man, the TikTok, promote Dr. Umar and other people. Vice, the man who is the quote-unquote king of dancehall. The things them where the man a do on TikTok, him not even a promote for him own a music. The man a promote some other vice. The man over TikTok a put out some vice. Even Shade Room a post him. Even RFM, but they're not posting him for dancehall. They're not posting him because he do some intelligent move or some wise business move. Them are posting for over TikTok, but TikTok time. Yes, we know you did do some concert, but after 13 years, bro, you're supposed to come out with crazy idea. Some books, some movies, some producing, some business idea. The man shouldn't have worked on a documentary from day one. The same day the man come out, the man depend live. Yes, we understand, say you're glad for your freedom. But as a businessman, everything should have a document. People shouldn't see Vybz Kartel until Freedom Street. But every day in the pan live, every day in the interview, in now rest in Vice a crack. He need some Vice therapy or training or something in Vice need for rest. But in go on stage, people see with me, my Vice are now 100%. But you're there on TikTok, I use up your Vice. One bag of interview, the man should have a documentary. When Vybz Kartel just come out, him interview them all 1 million views, 100,000, 200,000. No, nobody now pay attention because the nostalgia moment are run off and people see saying free on the road. People are get tired of him. Vybz Kartel is not being talked about on TikTok because of music. And yes, when people are talking about you, it's good, but also at the same time, it can be negative. Seeing impactful to your career. Some Gaza fans are say, well, the man expand him horizon and I work on new fans. The new fans, them are going to know him for TikTok, Vice over. He now put for him hardcore Vice or some Vice back in the days or over there promote him song. The people them are going to know him as a TikToker. So he will go up on stage and perform TikTok thing. People, Vybz Kartel get more views on TikTok versus in song them on YouTube. In TikTok and in Instagram views them more crazy because people did it for entertainment and fun. They not really did it for the artist and the music, and the artist now see that. Nobody around him can talk to him or can tell him nothing. He need a PR team. He need somebody who in charge of his career where going to lead him in a certain direction. Him want be the artist, PR and everything. And we know how we go when it come to the phone and Vybz Kartel. Remember, this is the same person where allegedly video himself a go dirt a person. You can swing a pickaxe stick, but don't make me tell you. Make it catch me. A crazy thing they find in our phone. So I think an idea when it come to the internet, this brother is not the smartest. And we see Vybz Kartel drop an album 2 weeks ago and he not even make the reggae Billboard charts. Not even the number they not sure. This man have 15,000 at the Barclay the first night. Second night, 15,000 again. Who 20,000 are so sure. But the people them now buy music. He don't know how to mobilize in fan base to buy the music. They are not buying his music. Yes, them got the show. Nostalgic moment. Them got the show because them want to see him perform, but them not really did it for the music. They now buy the music. A man drop an album
And we not even know the number. The number now sure. All we know is say, make it on the chart. And probably I'm going to get nominated for Grammy. Probably I'm going to win the Grammy with an album where nobody no buy, nobody no support. But we see say them a try get the artist everything. We see say them a try make it look like Vybz Kartel is the biggest. Everything where Vybz Kartel a do, crazy artists do it before. The Alkaline, the Shaggy them, the Sean Paul, crazy artists out here I do the same thing. But they want prop up Vybz Kartel and remind you, these artists never have to do nothing illegal. Them never missing from dancehall, them never there prison, they never there behind the bars. The 13 years where Vybz Kartel get locked up, these people are tour. So Vybz Kartel right now are play a catch up. In the words of Movado, catch up them a play a man of pepper. So right now, Vybz Kartel a play catch up. Enough artists make crazy money and stack their money, buy up them house, buy up them car, and relax. Vybz Kartel spend crazy money while being incarcerated. So he have to try scrape and make up back his money. He might try make up for the 13 years when he missing out on. But at the end of the day, the ticket price them when you used to charge before decline. People are get ticket cheap. The cheapest ticket at Freedom Street was 26,000 and people did a ball and them have to drop that. When him just come out, him couldn't fill the stadium. A crazy ticket Sean Storm give away, crazy ticket Boom Boom give away. People did a get free ticket. So if when him just come from prison, him sell out the state, he have problem to sell out the stadium. What only think I go happen after in that road after years? People are see Vybz Kartel everywhere. Them tired of him. Him no know how to keep him life private. But one thing we enough poor, broke people in Jamaica we not have it. Once we see a man buy house, car, this, that, we think say everything good with the music. But the music part, he must struggle. Can't find a hit song. See, but yes, he might get him money. But at the end of the day, if the performance them corny, if the performance them whack, if people are get tired of you, promoter go start give Vybz Kartel less money and less people are go and show them. Him have to go start go some new country now, like over there in Africa and Canada, where them people no see him yet. But once he's travel everywhere, problem I got did it. Promoter now go and give him the money for them where him a charge because people see him everywhere. Them all get tired of him. If him just bill, leave social media alone, work on him health, work on him music, drop song, come out, perform, go back in, it wouldn't be better for him career. Yes, you can live your life, but you don't have to put everything on the internet and for him life in live him life how he want to live. But he's a superstar and he is a public person. And once you're in the public and the media, we have our right to talk about you too. So anything you do out here will look folly and shaky, we are going to call it out. Enough people are switch from Gaza fans. Enough of the Gaza fans, them all go in the comment section, go tell me if it's up me mama, me if it truck through this, me a fish, me a this, me a that. But them no see me a wear no pink, they no see me a wear no bonnet. So them all call me shaky, tell me if it's up me mother. And now call him fish or shaky. Them a go saying rich. We live good too, life good. We not beg Vybz Kartel nothing. We have with things too. But remember, say Vybz Kartel is an artist. And we have to buy music. And we have to support him being rich. So without fans, without customers, without people like we supporting him, he wouldn't be nothing. And Vybz Kartel can't come here so and pause and tell me say me no have no life for him rich and he had that. Vybz Kartel, we remember when you did hungry. We remember when a crackers they did a eat. We remember when you couldn't fry flitters. So no come go on like say you're more than we. Cause we been there, done that and we are live good. And we no grudge Vybz Kartel for nothing. And Vybz Kartel, understand yourself. No matter how much stage show you sell out, no matter how much house you buy, no matter how much money you have, health is the greatest thing. Health is the most important thing. Because no matter what we have upon this earth, no matter what we achieve, no matter what we earn, we can't carry it with we. Seeing, and it don't make sense you have millions and you don't live long enough to enjoy it or spend it. Seeing, so health is wealth. Me know me have money, and me know me bank account good, and me know me life good. Me can travel, fly go where me want go anywhere me want go. Seeing, but at the end of the day, we reach a level in our life now where we take our health serious. Make sure we take our vitamin. Make sure we go pump some iron. Make sure we play 2 basketball. Make sure we do with juicing and eat up with fruits them and get proper rest. Once you reach certain age, you have to take care of yourself. Health come first. Else, every money where you earn, the doctor and the pharmacy are going to name it out. So riches is nothing. Health is the real richness. Because when you lay down on a hospital bed and you're sick and you have 10 million US dollar, a man where the outer road where eat a bulla, but him healthy, him heart a work, him kidney a work, is in a better position than you. The man where healthy is richer than you because you have to go left where you have before time if you not take care of your health. So Gaza fans, tell uno artists that Vybz Kartel, health is the greatest thing and health is key. Health is the greatest. Know yourself. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Who not like what me say, go chuck off.